Found within the rolling hills of southern Indiana, Dubois County is where family, festivals, and lifelong memories come together. This hidden gem is not just a destination, it's a thriving hub for people and businesses alike, where artists flourish and entrepreneurs transform bright ideas into successful ventures. Experience the heart of Jasper, a downtown Dora district filled with a splendor of shops, restaurants, and gathering spaces. Cultural amenities are in abundance, including within the 4-block radius, the Art Loop, showcasing 14 masterpieces of public art. Climb aboard for a scenic ride on the Spirit of Jasper train, where you'll traverse the breathtaking landscape of Dubois County. Then, just a stone's throw, tour the historic Jasper City Mill, another gem of our county. Next door, be charmed with Huntingburg, Indiana, a city like no other. Nationally ranked among the 15 best small towns in the USA by Smithsonian Magazine, Huntingburg was designated the most baseball-obsessed small town with its historic league stadium. This iconic ballpark was the backdrop for the beloved film A League of Their Own. Feel the magic of the movies as you experience summer nights filled with laughter and excitement. Before a game, be sure to stroll Huntingburg Historic 4th Street, home to over 24 locally owned antique and specialty shops and wide variety of eateries. Throughout the year, enjoy strolling events and live entertainment on the street that overflows onto Market Street Park's outdoor amphitheater. Don't miss our esteemed annual festivals that take place. Whether it be enjoying the many flavors of regional wines and craft brews at the Garden Gate Jazz Wine and Craft Beer Festival, celebrating our German heritage at the 4-day Jasper Strassenfest, or relaxing in 18th Street Park for the earth-friendly and free full day of music showcased at Ferdinand Folk Festival. For a touch of tranquility, visit our sacred sites, designated the Faithful Watchman over Jasper, St. Joseph Church, an 1880 Romanesque Old World church listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Or take a tour of the Monastery Immaculate Conception, also known as the Castle on the Hill, home to one of the nation's largest communities of Benedictine women in Ferdinand. The peace of the outdoors is also waiting your arrival. Nature lovers can explore the breathtaking trails, multiple-acre parks, and serene forests that are included within your visit. If you are a fan of water activities and outdoor recreation, Patoka Lake is a local favorite for a reason. Enjoy a day of jet skiing, tubing, or simply casting a line into its crystal-clear waters. For golf enthusiasts, play where the legends play at Sultan's Run, ranked the number 4 public golf course in the nation. Or practice your swing at Buffalo Trace, located just a mile away. If you're looking for more golf, check out the Broken Tee, a golf simulator in Jasper. Here you can play a variety of digital games while enjoying food and drinks with friends. Other indoor family attractions include The Place, an indoor playground and cafe for the littles, massive inflatables and arcades at Jump and Jasper, and the largest county museum in the state with the 50,000 square foot Dubois County Museum. Dubois County is more than a place. It's more than a getaway spot. This is a perfect escape to unwind and leave the hustle behind. Discover a place you've always dreamed of, where memories are made and cherished. Dubois County. Create a memory.